Hello dear friends, I'm Bhavna. Welcome to all of you on my channel Pranbh. In the last video, we discussed about analyze data using scenario and goal seek. If you didn't watch that video, click the I button. Otherwise, continue this video. In this video, we discuss about the data link and spreadsheet. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now and also hit the like button. Let's start. First question arises in our mind: why use multiple sheets? Multiple sheets help keep information organized. Once you link those sheets together, you unleash the full power of calc. Second topic: what is the difference between a spreadsheet, sheets and cells? Calc works with element called a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet consists of a number of individual sheets, each sheet containing cells arranged in rows and columns. A particular cell is defined by its row number and a column letter. Cells hold the individual element like text, number, formulas, and so on that make up the data to display and manipulate. Each spreadsheet can have many sheets and each sheet can have many individual cells. In Calc 3.3, each sheet can have a maximum of 10,48,576 rows and maximum of 1,024 columns. Next one topic: setting up multiple sheet. Here we can use a three method for setting up multiple sheet. First one is identifying sheets, second inserting new sheet, and third one renaming sheet. Let's discuss a first one, identifying sheets. When you open a new spreadsheet, it has by default three sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Sheets in Calc are managed using tab at the bottom of the spreadsheet. Next one topic, inserting sheet. There are several ways to insert a new sheet in a spreadsheet. The first step in all cases is to select the sheet that will be the next to the new sheet. Firstly, select the sheet and then, using a first method for inserting a sheet, click the insert menu and then click a sheet option, and this window will be appear. This is our insert sheet dialog box. Select before current sheet, otherwise after current sheet, and here number of sheet, and then click a OK button, and your sheet will be inserted here to the next to the new sheet. And second one method, simply right click and then select a insert sheet, and again this window will be appear. This is a insert sheet dialog box. Select your position before and after, select a number of sheet and then click a OK button. This is the second one method for inserting a new sheet. And third one method is click the empty space here. Click the empty space at the end of the line of the sheet tab. Same window will be appear, insert sheet. Select the position and then sheet number and then click OK. This is a third method for inserting a sheet. And next one topic, renaming sheets. Sheet can be renamed at any time to give a sheet more meaningful name. Here also are three methods for renaming a sheet. First one method, enter the name in the name box when you create the sheet. Means when you create a new sheet, then you can enter the sheet name here. Click here and then erase and type the sheet name here. Suppose I enter A, B, C and then click OK button. This is the first one method to renaming a sheet. When you insert a new sheet, you can enter the name first. And second one method, double click on the sheet tab and then change the name of your sheet. Here the entered name, sheet 6, and then press a backspace key for erase and then type the sheet name. Here I enter an account and then click OK button. This is the second one method for renaming a sheet name. And third one method, simply right click and then select a rename sheet and then rename your sheet. Here I'm enter a class 9th and then click OK button. This is our third one method for a renaming a sheet name. So here three methods. First one, when you enter a new sheet, you can enter the name first, and second one method is a double click on the sheet tab, and third one method is a right click on the sheet tab and select a rename. Next one topic, inserting sheets from a different spreadsheet. On the insert sheet dialog, you can also add the sheet from the different spreadsheet. Let's do the practical and see how to insert a sheet from a different spreadsheet. So firstly, open a insert sheet dialog box, click a empty space and open this window, insert sheet, and then click from file and then click a browse button, and this window will be appear. Select a spreadsheet and select a sheet here which you want to insert and then click OK button. Your sheet is inserted. This is a method for inserting sheets from a different spreadsheet. And next one topic is referencing other sheet in a spreadsheet. There are two ways to enter cell reference in another sheet. First one is creating the reference with the mouse, and second one creating the reference with the keyboard. Let's discuss the first one, creating the reference with mouse. Let's do the practical and see how to create a reference with mouse. So here select a cell where you want to insert a reference and then click a equal sign. Next to the input line, the icons change and an equal sign appear in the input line, and then click on the sheet tab from the sheet containing the cell to be referenced. I'm clicking a checking account sheet. Click on the cell G3. In the checking account sheet, the phrase checking account dot G3 should be appear in the input line. Click the green check mark in the input line to finish, and it's done. Your reference with the mouse is done. And second one is creating the reference with keyboard. The reference has two parts. First one a sheet name and second one a cell reference. Notice that they are separated by a point. Let's do the practical and see how to creating reference with the keyboard. Simply click a cell and then type a equal and single inverted comma and type a sheet name here, saving account, and then single quote close and using a dot and cell reference F3 and press a enter key. This is a method for creating a reference with the keyboard. So dear friend, that's all for today. In this video you learn about identifying sheet, how to renaming a sheet, how to insert a new sheets, and also you learn how to create a reference with mouse and keyboard. In the next video we will discuss about referencing other document linked to a sheet in the other spreadsheet, and also you learn a hyperlink. And it's a request to all of you guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please do it now, and also press the bell icon for the future update, and share this video to your friends and relatives so my video will reach more students. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.